Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your specialist. So I want to talk about, we get a lot of customers that come into the shop and they're always coming in and saying, hey, I need to get a replacement vent lid. And, we'll get calls or emails and they'll say, hey, my vent lid's like 16 inches wide, 16 by 16 or 15 and a half by 15 and a half. Our industry for like the standard size, the vent hole itself is a 14 by 14 inch hole. So whether you have like an air conditioner there or you have a vent lid there, that whole cutout for the whole industry is that 14 by 14 inch. So when you're looking for like a replacement vent lid, it's actually the hinge is what's the most important thing. So when you whether you come to our store or you're online or on Amazon or you're looking to purchase a vent lid, make sure that the most important thing that you check is the actual where the hinge is located, where it lifts up and down. There's several different styles of those, and we have examples on different posts and articles that we've written. I'll list some of the links and stuff for the most popular ones in this video below. But anyways, hopefully this information helps you, and stay tuned for more. Thanks so much for watching.